Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Pero medyo maano pa lang ng onte, madilim. So guys, my name is Rab. So we are here at the airport because we are going to a very special event, a flight event of bowling sa Cebu guys. Because like I said, a bowling event guys, at flight event guys. So let's get going and we'll get to the plane. So guys, ito na yung 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 mga gamit natin na guys, madadala na dito sa airport. I mean sa plane. And we are going to proceed to the plane guys. Ito yung entrance niya. Oh wow. Okay. So guys, we are now here inside the airplane. My mom is taking a lot of selfies. So, ilang hours ang flight? Maybe 1 hour or 2, I don't know. Maybe isang oras or one and a half.
1.5 siguro.
Oh. So guys, we'll be flying in 1.5 hours. So let's get it. So guys, we're about to move on to and flight na guys. The airplane is already moving and proceed to the launch area. So pasensya na moist yung yung bintana kasi medyo umulan yata. So let's get it.
1 hour later.
So guys, after an hour of flying here, magla-land na kami guys. I mean palang guys. So we'll get it once again. So guys, we are landing. We're about to land. It's a bit bouncy guys. Whoa. So guys, we just arrived here at Cebu. I can't wait to see in action guys and to see how it looks guys. Can't wait. From a different angle, ang ganda ng view. Super ganda guys. Woo! So guys, we are waiting for our bags guys. Isa pa lang napakuha natin. So we'll have to wait the others. So guys, we have all our bags. So let's get going and let's get rolling. So guys, we are about to get inside a car. Kasi ito na yung nakalakad na kami. Oh gosh. Once again guys, we are gonna get this going guys. It's my first time going here to Cebu. So guys, we are now here inside a vehicle, a Radisson Blue vehicle guys. Hi mom.
Yes.
So guys, again we're gonna keep this going and I can't wait once again.
Ay, oo, iba din yun.
So guys, we are here
Para hindi
at the bridge of Cebu guys. Mandaue City guys. We are about to go ahead to Mandaue City. They have nice view.
Here we go.
So guys, we have arrived here at the Radisson Blue.
Yes, Radisson.
Yeah, it's beautiful. At napansin ko, parang ito na yata yung SM sa left side, no?
Oh, yan na yung SM.
Ano pa yun?
Tawid lang pala eh. Tawid lang pala.
So bali nasa gilid lang po talaga.
So guys, we are now in here at the Radisson. Oh, I can't believe this is beautiful. Beautiful as it is.
Oh, some picture tayo.
1 hour later.
So guys, I am here na sa SM City Cebu of, of course Cebu. I'm here with my mom and we are looking for the SM bowling alley, guys. Well, we're still finding kasi first time pa ako dito, guys. To be honest. So let's get it once again. So guys, I am here now at the bowling alley of SM City Cebu, guys. So guys, we'll see the lanes a bit. I haven't started yet. I was waiting for the time. So let's get it. So guys, ito na yung yung sa itsura ng bowling alley ng SM City Cebu. Like I said, we have a big event right here, which is right over there. Setba, guys. Related to NBT. Oh, that's a ring pen. And guys, they say pala that this lane is gonna hook a lot. Somebody told me about this. So I'm gonna have to figure out this lane, so let's get it. So good luck. We will start na the real game, guys. At yung bola ko na stuck pa doon after ng last shot. Abot rin.
So, ito talaga si. So, talaga